Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I remain your host Agu Joseph. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how I was able to refine this image I got from Pinterest while creating this flyer. This is the original look of the image. You can see that it is actually blurred out. So I'll be walking you through how I went about achieving similar look like this using AI. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into this video. So the first thing I have to do is to head over to my browser, and over here I have my browser opened, and the name of this website is called Freepik, to be precise. That is freepik.com / Picasso / image editor. The link to this website will be in the video description. Don't have to check the video description. So all you have to do is to search for the link or click on the link in the video description, and it will load and take you to the dashboard where we'll be using to upload the image and upscale the image, to be precise. Here is the interface of the Freepik upscaling platform, and over here I'm currently on edit. But before we dive into upscaling any image, first thing first, I advise you to head over to create an account. You can either use your Google account or create an account with your email, to be precise. So that is very easy to set up. So let's dive into upscaling images. So the first thing you have to do, make sure you are currently on edit, head over to browse image and look for an image that you want to upscale. These are images I got from pinterest.com. So these are various images. I can just select a single image from this collection, like this one, to be precise. Click on open. Okay, this is the original look of the image here. Okay, so I need to upscale it, and upscale is already selected. All I have to do is to come over here and make sure I click on this. Make sure this is set on standard and 2K is actually selected. Click on upscale and wait for the AI to basically do its thing. So wait for it to process. Here you can see that it's still processing. This is the original look of the image. We are waiting for the upscaled image to load over here. We are still waiting for it to process. Okay, here is the upscaled image. You can see the look. This is the original look of the image we uploaded, and this is the look of the upscaled image with the help of AI. So if I'm done upscaling the image, I can choose to take it a step further by removing the background of the image. So all I have to do is to click on backgrounds, click on transparency here, okay, and click on remove background. So wait for it to also process as well. So when the AI is done removing the background, the next thing is for you to save the image for use. So after it's done saving, all you have to do is to make sure this image is selected, that is this particular layer is selected. Head over to export, select the file format, be it PNG, JPEG, and click on download, and this will be downloaded directly into your PC. So I will just click on this and I'll have this on my PC here. So this is before and this is after. You can see how clear the image is actually looking like right now. So you can go ahead to use it on working on any design project you intend to work on. So ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this. If you do find this helpful, do it to like, share and comment in the comment section. If you have any question, leave your questions in the comment as well, and see you in the next.